Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. Gorgeous pixie haircuts for the first one, followed by another pixie. This particular stylist is known for creating gorgeous pixie cuts on his clients. I love how she has that face framing color with the salt and pepper going. Absolutely stunning pixie. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have this stunning lob haircuts. That is, of course, a longer bob. And the stylist is adding some curls for some texture. Absolutely gorgeous. She looks so beautiful. So next up, we do have another long to short hair transformation. So the stylist ended up doing another lob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous texture and shape, beautiful. Wow, I love the texture with the waves. Very pretty. And then next up, we do have another pixie haircut. This one also features more of that asymmetrical look. Absolutely stunning makeover. So if you guys want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.